What's up guys, you are watching and listening to my Nichan Sounds and welcome to my unboxing site. For today, we were going to unbox a smartwatch from Lazada. This is one of the most cheapest smartwatch that you can find in Lazada. So I will going to show you what are the things inside this box. So we have a blue watch and a manual inside the box. So it has a two language, Chinese and English. Yeah, as you can see. And now let me show you the watch and how to fix it. Then we got the left and right bracelet and the body watch. So let me show you how to fix now. Guys, as you can see, it's all functioning, so all you have to do is just explore yourself in this smartwatch so you can find more and more and more. So by the meantime, let me show you how to connect your smartwatch into your cell phone. So guys,